So why are you not following the traditional dry versus wet ingredients?
Because I don't want to. This is the way I'm doing it. Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and this is Baking It Better, Banana Bread Edition. So anybody can bake. If I can bake, you can bake. I don't follow recipes, and I like to do things different almost every time. Be creative, have fun. Let's put together some banana bread. It's some really ripe bananas. And these are very ripe bananas. They have been in the freezer. Ugh. And they look so appetizing. Oh, go in and mash them up. And these are pretty soft bananas. This is gonna make 2 loaves, so we're gonna go in with 1.5 cups of sugar. If you want a little less sweet, you can reduce that sugar down. Chef Dad smoked salt, just a pinch. This is supposed to be a teaspoon of vanilla, but we know I like vanilla. I'm gonna go in with the baking soda right now. You wanna make sure that gets completely incorporated all throughout. So now I'm gonna go in with the flour, but I'm not gonna go in super fast with the flour. What you don't want to do is put all your dry ingredients in and not mix it, and then start adding wet ingredients. It will not turn out. So I'm just going with the rest of my flour. We're gonna go in with our egg and with our melted butter and get good incorporation. You could do this in a stand mixer and it would go a lot easier, a lot faster. Now for our specialty, we've got some coffee bacon because we're baking it better. You know what? We're going in with all the bacon. Get it all mixed in and incorporated. You know what you could do? I wouldn't recommend this, but it just went like in my brain. Make this your corn dog dip. New fair food, because this would fry up really good. 350. We're just gonna take a little bit of that clarified butter, drop it right down in there. Take a paper towel. Make sure you get all up the sides. Okay. Well, looks like this is gonna rise quite a bit. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come through here, smooth that out. Now as soon as our oven gets up to temperature, we can get them in there. Okay, we just hit 350 degrees. It is time to get our banana bread in the oven. Should take between 50 and 60 minutes, but I'm going to set a timer for 40. And then I'm gonna test them with a toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean, they're done. Look at that, they look beautiful. Big one definitely is not done, neither is the little one. You can see, it's got some dough on there. They smell amazing. I want it to be moist, but we want that center to be set. We'll bring it back when those are a little closer to being done. Shh. Big one is not done yet. You can tell. See how I can tell? Okay, let's pull this one up here. Get this oven closed. And we're gonna check it again. Came out clean. Look at it. I need you to look. I need you to pay attention to me. See? Peels off that side there. Beautiful. What I don't know is how well that clarified butter. Look at that. Look at that. Who needs parchment paper when you do it right? Set it right there and let it cool down a little bit. Look at that speckled magic of bacon banana bread. Saw that, don't squish it. Look at that thing. So to do it. Chef Dad's bacon banana bread with coffee bacon. It's moist. Oh, it's so good. All right, you gotta come. I need your words.
Oh man, it's not dried out. You can taste the saltiness of the bacon.
And the smoked salt. Chef Dad smoked salt.
But it's not overwhelming and you still have the sweet banana. I really like the crust too because it's not burned. It's not overcooked.
Made it like a fry bread crust.
Prove that baking isn't that difficult.
Even I can do it. Okay, let's get this one up. Should just fall out. Just like that. And if you look at the bottom, it's this perfect consistency. This is what you want your crust to look like. Use the clarified butter that we made. We pulled all those milk solids out, so it's got a much higher smoke point, so it was never gonna start burning. The top of this one is beautiful with the bacon on it. So that's bacon banana bread. Baking it better. This will warm the soul. Yeah. I don't know what to do with my hands. Thanks, everybody.